And your name is?
Anne Stewart.
Your occupation?
Retired.
And your chosen subject?
The Flight of the Earls.
In 2 minutes, the Irish Catholics who escaped to the continent in 1607. 2 minutes starting now. Which king summoned the Earl of Tyrone to present himself in London in July 1607? The Earl feared that he would either be executed or imprisoned.
James I.
Yes. From what village on the shores of Lough Swilly did the Earls of Tyrone and Tyrconnell, with their families and followers, set sail for La Coruña in Spain on the 14th of September 1607?
Rathmullen.
Yep. The Earl's ship landed 21 days after its departure from Ireland at what port near Le Havre?
Kilbeof.
Yes. Who was the commander-in-chief of the Spanish army in Flanders who entertained the Earl's party in his Brussels palace in November 1607?
Marquess de Spinola.
Yes, the Marquess de Spinola. According to the chronicler and eyewitness Theitheadh Keenan, a governor of Milan had been kindly and friendly to them at their coming and was sad when they left. What was the governor's name?
Pass.
In which French city did the Earl's party visit a gorgeous church where a head, said to be that of John the Baptist, was displayed?
Rouen.
Amiens. When the party finally arrived in Rome on the 29th of April 1608, they were met by Peter Lombard, who was the Archbishop of which diocese?
Pass.
What nickname for the Earl of Tyrone's treasurer, John O'Hagan, came from the Irish name for the pound sterling?
Could you repeat that, please?
What nickname for the Earl of Tyrone's treasurer, John O'Hagan, came from the Irish name for the pound sterling?
Punto.
Yes, O'Punty. The party lost some of their money when one of the Earl of Tyrone's horses fell down a cliff on St. Patrick's Day, 1608, near a bridge in the Swiss Alps. Which bridge?
The Devil's Bridge.
Yes. What was the Christian name of the Earl of Tyrone's son, who at the time of the flight was colonel of the Irish regiment in Flanders?
Henry.
Yes. At what palace in Rome did Pope Paul V first receive the Earl's party on the 4th of May, 1608?
La Quirinal.
Yes, or Monte Cavallo. The Earl of Tyrconnell's wife was visiting her family in Maynooth at the time of the flight and was not able to join him. What was her Christian name?
Siobhan.
No, it was Bridget.
Oh.
Yeah, you had 2 passes. Peter Lombard was the Archbishop of Armagh. And according to the chronicler, Theitheadh Keenan, the governor of Milan, was the Count Conte de Fuentes. Those 2 passes, Anne, you have 8 points.